Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Now today's video is slightly different to what we usually do on the channel. Sometimes we actually get involved with projects that we don't put on the channel and they're kind of like off-channel little side things that we do, but we decided that we wanted to share this very special one with you guys today. So basically the premise of this build is we built a PC, well, we being Alex from Simple Mods and I put this together for AFL player James Sicily. He plays for the Hawks. If you don't know what AFL is, it's Australian rules football. Maybe I'll put a link in the description if you're not from Australia and don't quite understand what it is, but it's a national sport here in Australia, and he is a player on one of the teams in the league. So basically, we were given the task of putting together a gaming PC that he can use for streaming on the AFL Twitch channel and on his own Twitch channel as well. So this video is actually brought to you by AORUS and NVIDIA. So if you want to see how this came together, stick around. There's a bit of a caveat, we didn't get to choose any parts for this build, they were just provided to us so we could put it together. As well as that, if you want to see how Alex did all the case mods for this, he's going to be putting up a video on his channel. Make sure you go and subscribe to Simple Mods. I'll put a link to one of his other mods in the top right hand corner if this goes live before his video. But yeah, he's going to have a whole video talking about the case mods and everything as well. So make sure you do subscribe because Alex does some really awesome work. But without further ado, let's show you how it all got put together, and of course, cinematic mode. Let's do it. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this build that we put together for James Sicily, who plays for the Hawks in the AFL. Anyways, guys, if you want to know what all the parts are, I'll put a PC part picker list down below in the description so you can peruse that list and so you can see how much it all costs. Obviously, like the case modding materials and all that are a whole different thing. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. And make sure you go and subscribe to Alex from Simple Mods. There's a link to his channel down below. Help him hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'll put some links to the AFL's Twitch channel and everything where you're gonna basically see this computer appear on the internet in case you're curious. But yeah, again, special thanks to AORUS and NVIDIA for allowing us to put this build together. It's pretty cool. It actually turned out a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna turn out. The brown actually looks a lot better in person than it does on video. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy it. And yeah, I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And back to regular videos, right, Claire? We had a couple days off, but back to our regular scheduled uploads. Thanks for watching.